Great communication shapes the world, and you have the power to tell stories that matter. Journalism, filmmaking, public relation, digital media. Whatever your passion, we have got the platform. Create, innovate, make an impact. From classrooms to real-world projects, we prepare you for the industry. Internships, industry exposure, hands-on experience, real skills for a real future. Your journey in media starts here. Join Communication Arts and Creative Media at Royal Thimphu College. Shape your future, shape the world.